Detroit City Airport, it was 36 and cloudy. At Flint, cloudy and 39 degrees. At Howell, it was 40 and cloudy. At Lapeer, it was 38 and The following is an important message. For the following counties, in Michigan, Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Sanilac, Shiawassee, St. Clair, Tuscola, Washtenaw, and Wayne. High wind warning in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 4 a.m. Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 4 a.m. Monday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Hazardous weather, high wind, with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour likely, will begin Sunday morning and persist through late Sunday night. Sustained winds will be from the west at 30 to 40 miles per hour. Brief intervals of gusts exceeding 60 miles per hour will also be possible. The highest gusts are most likely during the late morning to late afternoon. Impacts, downed tree limbs and power lines will be possible and may lead to scattered power outages. Driving will become potentially hazardous for high-profile vehicles. Unsecured outdoor objects will likely be blown around. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. Prepare, plan, and stay informed. Visit www.weather.gov/safety/wind. These are the 3 p.m.